Day 4 of the project. The foundation walls are up and it's starting to look like a new building. I'm going to zoom in and take you closer so you can see the 4-foot frost wall that has been laid out. You can see the rebar in there. The next step will be to add the crushed rock and crush down and then lay over the more cement for the foundation and the slab. You can see. We'll go over here and you can see the structure for the breezeway entrance, which is right here as we come in. This will be the breezeway entrance. As you can see, it's going to be a 8-foot by 12-foot breezeway and a 24 by 28 garage. That is the status update as of today.